Well, the Athens stock market shut down a month ago, was rescheduled to open, or was supposed to open this week, but it remains closed because of technical issues. Instead, it will now open Monday, August 3rd, and the delay comes as the International Monetary Fund announced it will only approve new loans for Greece after it reaches an agreement with its European creditors. Eirini Zarkadoula has our story.
One postponement after another. Thursday's expected reopening of the Greek stock market met with the same. The target date now slides to Monday following a 5-week shutdown. While resumption of trading sends a positive signal, local investors will not be allowed to use bank deposits to buy securities.
The stock market is important to regain its previous position and reinstall its credibility and trust to the investor community. Otherwise, we will face major problems for the whole plan of recapitalization of the banks, first, and secondly, to the purpose of the privatization scheme that the Greek government is eager to do till the end of 2015.
When the stock market closed down on June 29th, the aim was to protect the banking sector, which has seen huge withdrawals over the past 6 months by people nervous about Greece's economic and financial future.
Analysts suggest that the process for the reopening of the market was delayed due to fears that it would result in a crash, as well as the continued uncertainty about Greece's political future and that of its banks.
The government have announced that it's going to be a very limited approach, and especially for the foreign investors, it means that they will be able to do actions, but they cannot take all their money out. For the Greek investors, it means that they can do actions and invest, but in a very limited way, keeping in mind the capital controls.
Thanks to the lifting of some capital controls, Greek companies are now able to make foreign payments, which means they can start importing raw materials and other goods again. Yet even hardly investors could be justifiably nervous when the country's third bailout has still yet to be agreed. Monday, June the 27th, saw the return of Greece's creditors to Athens to start the negotiations for a $95 billion third bailout, heralding hopes for a return to greater stability among investors and Greeks alike. Eirini, Zarkadoula, CCTV, Athens.